Hey, this is Chad with Mite-E-Ducts Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning. Hey, it's going to be hotter than Satan's armpit out there this week. So I just wanted to kind of give you a quick PSA about checking and changing your air filters. A clean filter will help the system work a lot more efficient. Dirty filters, that's going to reduce that efficiency and things. But also keeping your blinds closed, curtains closed, that ambient temperature that's coming in through the windows, that's going to bump up the temperature inside the home. So keep those closed, the darker, the cooler that you can get. Also, put your fan to the auto position on your thermostat. That will allow that water that's on your coil to drain out and won't be pushing that humidity through the house. That humidity that's in the house, that's what your air conditioner is trying to get out to make it feel cooler. Another thing you can do is also take your ceiling fans, portable fans, keep those on, keep that air moving inside the home. That's going to help keep that temperature a little bit cooler in the house. Furnaces and air conditioners are only designed to do about a maximum around 20 degrees, 25 degrees cooler than what it is outside. So if it's going to be 98 degrees and humidity up to 103, that's going to feel like it's going to be keeping up around 80 degrees. Also, keeping bushes, trees, those kind of things trimmed away from it, that's going to allow your air conditioner outside unit to be able to work a little bit more efficiently. Eating and drinking cooler foods like fruits, vegetables, drinking plenty of water, that's going to help reduce your temperature and make it feel a little bit cooler also. If your system's not working properly, just be patient with those techs that are working. Remember, they're going to be working in extreme heat, going from one house to the next, trying to figure out what's going on. So just kind of be patient, be nice. If this video has helped you, please like, follow, share, try to get those out just to help other people out. Again, Chad with Mite-E-Ducts Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning. If you need us for anything, you can call us at 317-733-1012, or you can go to airduct.info. Thanks.